I'm gonna tell you right now, 'cause she's the one I'm thinking of. Hey, the only one I'm thinking of.
My makeup may look pretty, but my armpits tell another story. It is rough in here. Hey Foxes, welcome to my channel. If you're brand new and you've never been here, my name is Kristen Leanne. I'm a cruelty-free YouTuber. Today's video I'm very excited about because it brings me back to my childhood. And it's kind of crazy actually because I came up with the idea to make these and make this video specifically about like custom temporary tattoos. Like I think I got this made like 4 to 5 months ago, and I just like put it off and haven't filmed it, and now people are doing like lip tattoos and it looks so cool. So I'm really excited to share this with you guys and show you how to like create your own custom temporary tattoo sheet. I'm definitely not the first one to ever like put them on my face at all. I'm totally not saying that, but I'm just saying like I had to get this video out because I had this idea a while ago and I'm like, okay, you gotta do it, you gotta film it. So basically, the sheet that I created looks like this. So these are all the little temporary tattoos that I have, and I already cut this all up, but it looks like this. It's got the little clear plastic thing on here, and I printed this at my house. It's nothing fancy. And so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually link at least this one in the description box or on my blog so that you guys can grab this, print it, and buy this on Amazon should you wish, and then you don't have to Photoshop anything yourself. These were all custom made, so they are unique to me and Fox fam, so you won't find these anywhere else. So these are super fun. I'm gonna try and make one like maybe with Arctic Fox logo and like Stay Foxy and stuff, but this is what it looks like. You can also find, this will be linked in the description box below as well, but this is super fun. You get one sheet in here and it's basically a temporary tattoo, and you can make custom ones. So if you're going to the, if you went to the Women's March, you could put a quote on here. Like the possibilities are endless, like so many possibilities. So this is so fun. I am absolutely obsessed with this. You can kind of create any look you want. You can put someone's name on your face, etc. So I'm gonna show you how I create these. The instructions on how to actually print this is really easy. You just have to pay attention to which way you put the paper in the printer, and then you gotta put the clear sheet over top of it after it dries, but it's really easy. These are the instructions right here. That's how quick it is. So super easy. You just buy this on Amazon, and then you can either use the sheet that I create for you, or you can create your very own. And removal is super easy as well. You just basically take a cotton ball with some alcohol, not like drinking alcohol, but like rubbing alcohol, and you just hold it on there while it soaks it, and then it kind of becomes this like gummy, like little wad of what used to be your temporary tattoo. So it's super easy to remove this as well. Let's go ahead and get started. If you enjoy this type of video, please give this video a big thumbs up for me, and let's go ahead and get started. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna just take a few of these. I think I'm gonna take maybe the heart, the little stars here, and maybe I don't know what. Oh, I don't know which one I'm gonna do. I love all of these. So basically you wanna cut out like pretty close around the edges of this, just because they do leave a little bit of a film. So I don't know how I wanna put these on. I think I'm just gonna like put them on here and go for it. Okay. So first, you don't wanna touch this other side either because it's sticky. We're gonna go with the little shooting stars. I'm gonna put that right there, and I'm gonna take this towel and just get a little bit of water on it. You don't want it soaking wet, but you don't want it dry, like not wet enough either. And I'm just gonna place it on top, and you're supposed to hold it for 10 to 15 seconds. And I kind of like to look at it. You can kind of see, hopefully you can see in the camera where it's wet and where it isn't. So it's a good indication, but you don't have to press too hard. Just hold it on there. Oh, okay, so it does have a little, I'm gonna take my little makeup brush and I'm gonna smooth down the edge right there. Oh, this is so hard to peel this little thing off, but we've all pretty much done like fake tattoos, right? Like you peel that little film off, then you stick it on here. I'm gonna put it up there. Okay, let's do a couple other ones while we're at it. This is gonna be like when I do like a natural makeup look and I'm like, okay, I'm just gonna do a natural makeup look, and then I come back and I like have 20 pounds of makeup on and I look like a drag queen. excited to see what this is gonna look like. I feel like a little kid again. Okay, now we get to pull all these off. I'm gonna slowly, so cute. Oh, that one didn't, I didn't leave that one enough time. I'm obsessed. Okay, I'm gonna wear this every day, I swear. I kind of want to like continue them all the way up here as like a little thing. What do you guys think? Okay, we'll do it. Don't have to twist my arm. Placing these on here. Gonna put it right there. Okay, now we're gonna get this. This is like so exciting. Yes. I feel inside my bones that we're ready to pull. I just get anxious. I'm like, okay, I want to see. Oh, I shouldn't have done two yellows next to each other. Oh well. All right, don't pull out your hair. Hercules, Hercules. Oh, I'm so excited. So here it is. Here is my little custom tattoos. I had these actually illustrated and created by someone in the Arctic Fox office. So I was able to have totally custom ones. Like no one has these. So this is really fun. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this. I feel like this is so fun. Like you could do so, I'm just like, my mind is spinning with ideas of what you could do. Like if it was like your boyfriend or girlfriend's birthday, you could literally make one that says happy birthday so-and-so, like put it on your freaking forehead and walk in the house. You could use it for bachelorette parties. You could, I'm actually gonna make a sheet too that's like has Stay Foxy and probably the Arctic Fox logo. So if you guys do wanna download either this sheet or that one, it is in the description box below, or it'll be in my blog. It'll stay in the description box though. Either way, there's just so many things you could do with this. That's pretty much it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a big thumbs up if you do, and let me know below what you think of these. Would you ever wear these face tattoos? And if you created your own custom ones, what would they be? But anyways, hopefully it's super easy for you guys to just like print out the sheets that I made if you don't use Photoshop, etc. And if you do use them, I would absolutely love to see what you create with these. Definitely tag me on Instagram and Twitter and show them to me, because I'm super excited to see what you guys make with them. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, we will see you in the next video. Bye, foxes.